Okay guys, so this is chicken parmesan. Okay, so now I take off from the oven. It just take like 20 minutes, so it smells delicious, very delicious. So it's kind of like 4 portion here. So I already made it sandwich. I just take it from the bacon, the bacon dish. So you can see here I put it in the plate, or I can say on the plate, wherever it is. Okay, you can see here. So this is chicken parmesan sandwich, or chicken parmesan burger, wherever you can call it. The sandwich is good. It smells delicious. You can see it. You see it? And the cheese is melted. It's good. Look, delicious. Okay? You can see it, the sandwich. It's creamy here. Yep. Sandwich is good. You can see it. Okay? So this is chicken parmesan sandwich. Yep. It's big. It's good. Okay? Okay, guys. You can subscribe down there. Leave a comment. Like the video. I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.